Hello everyone, how are you? Today we're going to talk about present simple, and for this it's important that you know some of the most common verbs in English. In the last activity you practiced with some verbs, but there are a lot of verb lists online, and I'll let the link for these ones that I'm showing you, I'll put the link in Google Classroom. So let's start. So here we have the verb work, and in the positive we say I work, you work, he works, she works, it works, we work, and they work. As you can see, we need an S for the third person, he, she, and it. And for the negative, we have I do not work or the contraction I don't work. He, she, it does not work, or in the contraction she doesn't work, he doesn't work. And we do not work, don't work. So for the negative, we need do not, contraction don't, or does not, contraction doesn't. So the S is still here, but it's in the auxiliary, not in the verb. So he doesn't works. This is incorrect because we have double S, one S here and one S here. This is incorrect. We only need one in the auxiliary. He doesn't work. Okay, so the S in the positive for he, she, it, and the S in the auxiliary doesn't or does not, but not in the verb. Okay? So normally we add S, like here, work, works, but there are some other rules for he, she, and it. So the general rule is add S, play, plays, work, works. But after S, CH, SH, or Z, we add ES. So watch, watches, miss, misses, and this is because of the sound, because of the pronunciation. So if we only add S, it will be difficult to say it. Watch, misses. So we need S, watches, misses. And then after consonant and Y, we change the Y for I and ES. We change the Y for I, ES. So study, studies, try, tries. But teacher, why here we don't change it? Because this is not consonant Y, this is vowel Y. And this is consonant Y. There are also some exceptions, like do, we add ES, does, and go, goes. And this irregular have, has. So these rules are very important, and they only are for he, she, and it. Ahora, ¿para qué vamos a usar el presente simple? We use it for habits or actions that happen regularly. For example, I wash my hair every day. I work from Mondays to Fridays. I go to the library on Saturdays. Also for permanent situations or things that are always true, cosas que siempre son verdad. For example, I don't drink coffee, she's very tall, I have two brothers, water boils at 100 degrees, el agua hierve a 100 grados, I like soup.